Hello everyone. Now continue with our exercise 21.2. 21.2 question number 1 is given. Find the area of a square of side. This is our square. Okay. We have to find here area of a square. Now one side is given here. Question number A. 17 meter. We have to find area of a square side. So you have to write here solution and put the formula of area of square. So area of square formula equal to side into side. Suppose here given one side 17 meter. So we have to find the another side. So 17 multiply with 17 equal to 289 meter square. One more question I have to solve. Question number B. 7.5 centimeter. Okay. Same process. Write here solution. Area of a square equal to side into side. Now 7.5 multiply with 7.5, then 56.25 centimeter square is your correct answer. And CD you have to solve same process. Now move to question number 2. Question number 2 is given. Find the area of a rectangle of. A number is given length equal to 7 centimeter and breadth is given 6 centimeter. This is our rectangle figure. This is our length. Length is given 7 centimeter and breadth is given 6 centimeter. Okay. We have to find here area of rectangle. Go with the formula. Area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. Length is given 7 and breadth is given 6. 7 6 42 centimeter square. B number same process you have to solve yourself. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is given. The area of a square is 144 centimeter square. This area of square is given 144 centimeter square. We have to find here, find the length of the side of the square. We have to find the length of the side of the square, means one side we have to find it. So you have to write here area of a square equal to 144 centimeter square. Okay. Now area of a square formula is side into side. You know your area of square full area is given 144 centimeter square and we have to find out one side. So you know 144 is to multiply with 12 into 12. 12 into 12 144. So your length of the side of the side of the square equal to 12 centimeter. You understand or not? Actually full area is given 144. We have to find out one side. So 144, which table we have to multiply, that 144 will become. So 12 multiply with 12 is 144. So your one side is given 12 centimeter. Understood? Now the next question is question number 4. Question 4 is given a square and a rectangle. One square and one rectangle have both given equal areas. Square and rectangle both have equal areas. If the length and breadth of the rectangle, length is given 25 centimeter and breadth is given 9 centimeter respectively. you have to find the side of the square. What we have to find here? Find the side of the square. So look at here. This is our rectangle picture. Okay. Rectangle length is given 25 centimeter and breadth is given 9 centimeter. You know, rectangle and a square both have same equal areas, and we have to find the side of the square. So go with the process. First of all, we have to write for a rectangle. Okay. Length equal to 25 centimeter and breadth equal to 9 centimeter. Okay. Area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. 25 into 9. Total will be 225 centimeter square. Now second part, we have to find square. So for a square, let the side be A. We have to suppose their side should be A. So area equal to A square means side into side. So A square equal to what given? 225. Because both have equal areas. Rectangle and square have equal areas. So here is given 225. So area here also same 225. So A equal to, in 225 which table will come? So 15 table. 15 multiply with 15, 225. And here given A square equal to 225. So A equal to 15 multiply with 15. It means side of the square equal to 15 centimeter. Don't be confused. 225 we will find out in the root system. So simply you know 15 table, 15 multiplied with 15, 225 will come. So we have to find here one side. So one side is given of the square equal to 15 centimeter. Understood? Now the next question is the area of a rectangle. Means one rectangle figure, full area is given 117 centimeter square. The length is given 9 centimeter, and we have to find the breadth of the rectangle. Look at this picture. Length is given 9 centimeter. Okay, and full area is given your 117 centimeter square. Only we have to find here breadth. Understood? So you have to write area of a rectangle equal to 117 centimeter square. Clear? Length is given 9 centimeter. Okay. Now breadth of the rectangle equal to question mark. We have to find. So area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. Clear? Area of rectangle given 117, length is given 9 centimeter and breadth is given question mark. Suppose breadth will be B. Okay. Now 117 by 9 equal to B. Now 9 table we can divide 117. It will cut 13 times. Okay. So your breadth will be, then you have to change their place. Breadth of a rectangle equal to 1370 meter. Understood? Simply because it is not possible to change their sign, we have to give the divide process. So 9 table we have to divide 117 13 times. 13 is your breadth. Only you have to just change their place and you have to write breadth of a rectangle equal to 1370 meter. Question number 6 is given. Find the area of a rectangle whose breadth is 7 meter. One thing, listen to me. You have to find the area of rectangle whose breadth is given 7 meter. Okay, length is not given. And its perimeter is equal to that of a square. What perimeter is given? That of the square with side 12 meter. Simply, first of all, you will write area of side equal to 12 meter. Perimeter of a square. For A. You know, for area of square, how many sides are given? 4 sides. A means side. So 4, and what side is given? 12 meter. 4 multiply with 12. 48 meter square. Clear? Now we have to find out perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B equal to 48. Okay. Length is not given, breadth is given 7. So we have to put here breadth equal to 48. L plus 7 equal to 48, and this 2 will be coming down. In 2 table 48 cut? Yes, it is possible to cut 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. It means L plus 7 equal to 24. And you know our same process, L equal to 24 and plus sign is given, then it will change here minus 7. L equal to 24 minus 7, 17 meter. Clear? It means length we know and breadth is already given. Now we have to find here area of a rectangle. You know area of rectangle formula, length into breadth. Length, you know, we have to find out the length, which is given 17 meter and breadth already given in our book 7. So 17 multiplied with 7, 119 meter square. So today question number 1 to 6 you have to solve in your notebook. Next class we have to continue question number 7 to 12. Thank you.